if cos A is to sin A is equal to 13:12, find the value of tan A, cosecant A, and cot A. Given cos A is to sin A is equal to 13:12, cos A divided by sin A is equal to 13 divided by 12. Cos A divided by sin A is equal to cot A is equal to 13 by 12. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, that is 12 by 13. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, that is equal to 13 by 12 whole square, is equal to 1 plus 169 divided by 144. Cosecant square A is equal to 144 plus 169 divided by 144. Cosecant square A is equal to 313 divided by 144. Cosecant A is equal to root of 313 divided by 144 is equal to root of 313 divided by 12. Prove the identity sin x minus tan x divided by sin x into tan x is equal to cos x minus 1 by sin x. LHS is equal to sin x minus tan x divided by sin x into tan x is equal to sin x minus tan x is equal to sin x by cos x divided by sin x into sin x by cos x is equal to sin x into cos x minus sin x divided by cos x divided by sin x into sin x, that is sin square x divided by cos x is equal to sin x common, sin x into cos x minus 1 by cos x into cos x by sin square x is equal to cos x cancel, 1 sin x cancel, cos x minus 1 by sin x is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS.